Another Florida train show, this one in Pinellas Park, April 9th, 2022, sponsored by Suncoast Model Railroad Club. So let's go.
Hey baby, how you doing?
All right, we're at the train show, Suncoast Model Railroad Club.
Yeah?
And Sadie's here. Debbie's taking her out to go potty. And we're right behind H&R Trains. Okay, so heading in there while Debbie sits out in the car with Sadie. Bye, Sadie.
Hey, I had to go, Dad.
All right, we'll see you. Okay, here we go with Zitnik's Trains. All his rolling stock. Nicely packed. I think I'm gonna hijack that thing right there. Everybody's got GG1s now. 75 and $80 in the original box. Here's a nice set, $45. If it was Pennsylvania, I'd get it. That's Kansas City and St. Louis. Got a lot of ON30 sets here. All Bachman. All $100. Very tempting, but North Pole Express, Wonderland Express. Here's a village streetcar. That might be interesting. Huh. Silverton Flyer.
Here by the Suncoast and the where are we here? The test track. Craig Phones. Phones.
A lot of N scale. A lot of Lionel. American Flyer.
It might be 6 months. It might.
Well, I mean, I will, so you have to believe me.
Right. Okay. All right. Take care.
A lot of good stuff here. Too bad it's not HO.
How many I have? Oh, those. Okay.
Well, they still haven't called my number yet.
Thank you very much. All right, take it easy. Have fun.
We got bunny rabbit ears here. There you go. Also stopped at H&R Trains after the show, which is right in front of the venue, right there. After the show and HR Trains, we went up to the Suncoast Model Railroad Club Clubhouse to watch them run some trains in both N scale and HO scale.
What do you think you want to be going with?
Now that the golf course owner is closed for good, I should come down. You work down here with you? Oh, you don't work?
Fans here.
Oh, so you just got
name is
sure.
Stacy.
Have you had breakfast down there?
I don't.
Yeah, but I never tried the place, and I knew it's good to get better.
Yeah, and it's so.
They moved. They didn't move. We're still in the same spot. Okay.
For sure you work there. It's your name, so that.
Yeah, that's exactly right.
You got a block in the track there, stop. You have to do that.
Let me put you all next, right?
You saw the hand switches over there. These are electric.
Oh, it's the
So they're little that drops down the tube.
Okay, perfect. Right. Yeah, so just give us a call when you're ready. You got it.
So until the next time, we'll see you.